Look at this lake we found. So Kevin found this on Park the night. Check out the waves, little waves. Just a little bit of wind. It's a nice little spot, isn't it? If you want to do a bit of swimming. So the first thing we see when we arrive is a cuckoo. So I'm more than sure that's going to keep us awake. Very nice, isn't it? It's a couple of islands over there. And if the wind drops, I could feel the canoe coming out.
Quite possible.
Yeah. And if we have a nice night tonight, maybe stay the weekend?
Yeah, that's it. Not too.
I think we've got enough supplies, haven't we?
I think so.
Yeah.
Work it out.
Got enough bread and pullet to eat, since we've just put how much in diesel.
Oh, God, yeah.
Did any of you guys, parents, used to say, what's for dinner? Bread and pullet, or fresh air pie, and what else? Oh, I don't know. All sorts. Are we showing our age? All you youngsters are thinking, bread and pullet, what on earth is Wacky going on about? What is she going on about? What's that, cormorant?
Yeah, that's a cormorant.
Cormorant. So I've seen a big bird of prey just over the way back there, but I don't know what it was. I saw a heron, and I know the way a heron flies. It wasn't a heron. And we also saw a white-tailed eagle. Is that it?
Well, yeah, I mean, if it was as you described it, as in big bird, brown bird, white head, then yeah, probably. Because
I said to Kev, there's a really big bird over there, like heron kind of size, flying, but it wasn't flying it, and it landed. And I went, oh, it's got a white head. So that's the second one we've seen now then, isn't it? Yeah. We saw one in Hungary. So they are quite common, is it common? Or there's quite a few of them in northern Europe.
Yeah, I think if you're in the right area, they're quite common.
Oh, terns.
Terns.
Wow. Good lake full of fish then. So we've arrived, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 other campers. So we're the 5th. I should imagine there might be a few more later. And maybe there's a load of birds just took off. They're probably gulls over there. We'll probably go back soon. We're going to have a bit of a walk. And we've got chicken for dinner, so...
Chicken tonight.
We feel like chicken tonight.
There we go, showing our age again.
Yeah. Actually, he said it, didn't he? So, showing his age.
And you knew the song just as well.
Yeah. I don't think it's that old, that advert.
I don't know.
Anywho. Look how clear the water is, guys. Look, there's even sand. Check this bird song out. It's in the reef somewhere. Anyone know what that is? We just come out to this clearing, and look, little beach, picnic areas, bin, and maybe that path goes to the car park. I'll let you know, because we might go back that way. And look, bit of a jetty going on. How pleasant is this? Bit of a jetty that's kind of messed up. As you can see, the lake is huge. Not bad, eh? So we couldn't determine what that bird was, could we? And now we're going to go back to the car and put the dinner on. We're going to go on this path this way and see if that takes us back to the van. So, we'll probably now see you tomorrow. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, take care, guys. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. So it's Saturday morning and the wind's a bit chilly.
Hence the coat.
He needs a bit more meat on him, that's what I'm saying. I've got a bit more meat on me. There's loads of raptors around. I'm trying to identify them. That's definitely a kite.
Yeah.
What were they?
Ducks.
Ducks? Geese.
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 Yeah, so we had I would say a peaceful night, but being in the wild sometimes, the night noises, and what kept us awake for quite a while?
A nightjar.
A nightjar at the tree just behind the van, and it went on all night. It didn't move all night. And then what woke us up this morning? We had the vent open above the bed.
Oh yeah, some huge hornet type thing.
Yeah, buzzing away. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna be eaten. Another big bird. Yeah, so we're going for a nice walk. Hopefully we'll see a bit of wildlife. And yeah. Oh, that was a cuckoo.
Oh, that was a woodpecker.
Was it?
Yeah.
Or one colour?
No, it had black and white stripes on it.
Okay. Okay, we do sort of like
See stuff differently.
yeah. I mean his impersonation of what's big and my impersonation is big. Quite two different things. But you girls know all about that, don't you? So anyway, we're going for a bit of a walk. They look like to me look like a cuckoo. But yeah, we've seen there's loads of goldfinches here, there's woodpeckers. I've seen the one without the red spot on his head. So I don't know which ones they are. We don't know all the birds. We know a few birds, but we don't know all of them. And there's a few birds we're hearing calls and tweeting, or their song. Never heard them before, have we?
No.
So that's two now. So I've got no idea what they are. And yeah, if we see anything interesting,
hopefully we'll get some film or pictures of it and
yeah,
put it in for it.
If only they just hovered. And you just literally, the amount of times I just get it in focus and then boom, it's gone. And you're like, darn it.
Yeah.
But
so a note to all the birds out there, you need to stand still and you need to wear a t-shirt with your name on it.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. And the thing is, like all the books you get are of drawings, and I know there's different variations and that, but sometimes you just don't know what they are. It's a mystery, but it can be a little bit frustrating because we like to tick off in our book what we've seen. A bit anarchy, but hey ho, that's us, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So hopefully we'll enjoy our walk. So we'll see you soon. Herons on their nests. Look at this view, guys. It's beautiful, isn't it? And also, again, look how clear the water is. We've got a few islands over there which you're not allowed to land on. So if you have a little canoe or paddleboard or swim, it's forbidden. Forbidden. When birds are in silhouette, I ain't got a clue what they are. That's the swallows. So you can hear the frogs, but I just walked over this way and the frogs just jumped in the water. Let's just see if any more have jumped. Well, there you go, little small ones. Nice boggy water, just what they like. So we're just chilling, sitting, listening, watching, taking photos. a mission. So the bird that keeps making this noise, we think it's some sort of reed warbler, and a bird keeps flying this way and that way, and he's determined. Look, he's got his determined head on. Now he's wearing a hoodie and an anorak, and I'm just wearing one of my blouses. He's freezing. I've asked him, is he a vampire? Are you a vampire, Kev?
Hardly.
Well, yeah, but you know, I've watched the modern films, and like some of these vampires can go out during the day. Yeah, it's strange. I said to him, do you want me to put your hoodie in the bag? Because my hoodie's in the bag. And he said no, and he touched my hand. He was freezing. It's weird. I tell you what, it is sometimes the simple things that in life that bring you the most joy. It really is. You won't be able to see them, but there's fishes in there. I might put some pictures up of them. Little stripy looking things. That's so big. Oh, oh. I think I got that. It's got like a stripe on its neck.
Yeah, a bit of a yellow tail, a bit of a yellow bum.
Oh, I didn't notice that. I was just, oh. We're two happy bunnies because I think we've got it on film.
Yeah, maybe 5 seconds worth, but
Yeah.
film's film. We've certainly got some pictures with a bit of luck, so
Yeah.
once we go back and have a look in the book.
I saw dragonfly, so I'm happy. So, yeah, I can't believe such a small bird making such a noise. I thought it was going to get all excited, thinking, oh, it's going to be a bitten or something, but... Oh, look, snake. Water snake. Did you see it? Look, look.
Oh.
Oh, man, it's a water snake. Oh, hopefully I've got a little tiny bit of it on here. As you can see, it's got hot. Kevin's not only taking his jacket off, he's taking off his hoodie as well.
All in one go.
Oh.
Wind dropped.
Yeah, the window's dropped. So, we're going to head back to the van now for some lunch. We've walked a couple of miles here, so it's going to be a couple of miles back. And I personally am 8 Marvin.
Yeah, I'm getting a bit hungry as well now.
Yeah. So we'll see you a bit later. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Just cussing because I just broke my nail. That's the second time I've done it on the bloody GoPro. We keep getting told how the Germans like to obey the rules. There's signs down there, no swimming. Want to see how many buggers are in the water? I'll be one of them, maybe. I haven't brought my cosy with me. I said to Kev, you're coming in with me. What'd you say, Kev? Again. So just so you know, he has got swimming trunks. He does like swimming, but he's not a fan of getting in the water too much. It has to be red hot, doesn't it, really?
Yeah, I'm not a fan of getting cold. I like getting in the water.
Yeah.
But I mean, down here, if it was hot enough, it'd be perfect because you can almost jump in off the ends of those. We found a couple of piers when we were out yesterday.
Yeah.
With ladder halfway down, and you could probably jump off the end quite happily, and that would suit me down to the ground. Not a problem. It's when you have to wade in and get up to the dodgy bits that really puts me off. Especially if you have to wade in half a mile before you get to the dodgy bits, and then another half a mile before you come on, if you know what I mean.
I have to admit, this time last week was at a different lake, and I went in and it was really chapping. It was really cold. So it's kind of put me off this time, even though if it was 27 or 28 degrees. So,
yeah, had this been in the middle of the afternoon, we might have gone in, but it ain't. It's now 7 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah, and we've come at this late because it was too hot. Sunday evening vibes. Look at that. Beautiful. It's coming up to 7:30. It's absolutely beautiful. It's been a lovely day, isn't it, Kev?
Yeah.
Are you chilled?
I am.
See, some days you just need a couple of days in one place, and you've got to find the right place. Make sure that you're all empty of the stuff you need to be empty and full of all the stuff you need to be full. And because we're going back,
We almost got it right.
yeah,
We're only just about full of food.
yeah, which is unusual for me. But I did say to Kevin, we need to start running down stocks because I think we've still got a few things that we came with. Nearly 9 months later, I ain't taking it back with me. So, yeah. We got rid of one thing that we got picked up in Italy, back in November. So, and it's now May. Anyway, guys, hope you're doing well. And yeah, I hope you've been enjoying our travels. Don't worry, when we go back to the UK, we'll find some footage and stuff, won't we?
Yeah.
Mind you, I'm so far behind.
Yeah, you won't even notice.
You'll be seeing this when we're in New Zealand or wherever it is we're going to go. Yeah. But it don't matter, do it?
No, you won't even notice that we won't film anything for a couple of weeks when we get back to the UK. Yeah. Because we've got to do van stuff like servicing and running repairs, and we might film the odd upgrade if we get that far.
Yeah. Looks like we're going to need some tyres. I think we've got the original tyres on. Yeah. And I think we've got enough tread to get us back home. Yeah.
I mean, you know, the tyres are going to be seven years old.
Yeah, they're 7 years next year.
It's not good.
Next month.
You know, in the UK you can only keep tyres legally for 10 years. If they're older than 10 years, doesn't matter what condition they're in, they ain't allowed on the road. And when we bought the van, it had loads of tread on it. But now...
Tell them how many miles we've done up to now.
Well, since we bought the van, we've done 20,000 miles.
Feels like more in a nice way. Yeah. Feels like more at the moment when we're putting like 100 quid a time in the bloody tank, and it's not even a full tank.
Yeah, it's hard work, that is.
Yeah, stop the war! That's me just being selfish. No, of course I want it to stop, but yeah, it's causing problems. For sure. Look at it though, look guys. So yeah, new tyres we're going to need. We're going to finally put battery to battery, because the one that's on the van either doesn't work or is totally inefficient. What else are we going to do, babes? I've requested some privacy film that, if you follow John and Mandy, they put on theirs, and Mandy's got it on her back doors on her new Bumble, because sometimes it's just too hot in there, but sometimes you just need that little bit, especially some of the motorhome places you go to, they seem to park right on top of you, don't they, Kev?
Yeah.
Just to give you a bit more.
Yeah, so during the day it allows you just to keep the blinds down. You get a little bit, well I do anyway, get a little bit sick of looking through net curtains. I was never a fan of net curtains anyway.
No.
So with the privacy film, we can see out, but it's very difficult for anybody to see in. Obviously at night, the reverse is true.
Yeah.
But
we've got to put in the blinds up anyway.
Yeah, at night you put the blinds up anyway. So.
Yeah. So we're just walking to the beach area at the moment, and from there on in, don't know where we'll go, because it's a big old lake, isn't it, Kev?
It is.
You're going to be thinking we're in France, aren't you? Well, we're not. You're in Germany still. Is Willow going to go out and walk the plank? And no, she ain't. But look, the sand's all wet where people have fun. When we come down here earlier, there was about half a dozen people around the buoy over there. Very pleasant, isn't it?
The kids,
yeah.
Put them in there. The thing is, I don't know how you're going to get them out again.
Free them. It's all footage. Kids don't realise how cool they can be, is it? Is that all of them? There you go. I like stickleback type thing.
Yeah. I mean, just in case, what you could do is make a channel in that bit of sand there. Yeah, like that, if you can. Yeah, that should do it, innit?
Funny if the dog buggers don't get back in it.
Oh, yeah, there's that about it.
Oh, that is bright, isn't it? Oh, that's a cracking picture. That's quite something as well. Swimming in the water. I don't know if it's a beaver or an otter. Better not be a rat. Can you see what it is? Did you get any of it?
Yeah.
Well, we think it was a beaver because there's a bit of a ding going on over there. Be careful because this is really soft underfoot. Beautiful, isn't it, guys? Three spiders, 4 spiders. Sun's going down. The moon is full. My husband is happy. We sold some stuff. Push yourself, people. Go out for that evening stroll. So, from Hollendorfen, is that it?
No, Wollendorf.
That one. We'd like to bid you goodbye. So,
It's been a nice couple of days here.
Yeah.
It's quite pleasant. We'll stick to what 3 working because
Yes.
there's plenty of room.
yes.
There's a bit of a lake down there. Loads of wildlife and birds and stuff if that's your thing.
Yeah.
And
As I say, we just only come on to say goodbye because we keep forgetting. So,
goodbye.
yes. I realise I talk too much, so I do apologise, guys. But I am awesome, so I know you love it. Right, guys, we will see you soon.
Yep.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.